Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a report from DORIAN LPG. It's about dividends, those sweet cash payouts companies sometimes give to their shareholders. Will it be rain or shine for investors? Let's find out. This is a Form 8K report, which is basically an announcement a company makes when something important happens. In this case, it's about money. DORIAN LPG is telling everyone about their dividend plans. This report is dated May 25, so it's fairly recent news. The company DORIAN LPG is registered in the Marshall Islands, but their main office is in Stamford, Connecticut. This part is just checking some boxes about whether the company is using this form to communicate with investors in specific ways. It's not super important for our purposes. DORIAN LPG stock is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol LPG. If you want to invest in them, you would buy LPG shares on the stock market. This paragraph also tells us whether DORIAN is an emerging growth company. It's not. That status matters for some accounting rules. The board of directors has declared a one-time dividend of 50 cents or euros and 50 cents per share of the company stock. The company is using the word irregular dividend, which means that they don't always offer this amount of money consistently. Sometimes it's more, less, or none at all. It's not a regular guaranteed payout. If you own shares on May 16, you'll get paid around May 30. This means if you buy the stock after May 16, you won't get the dividend. The company explains that future dividends depend on many things. This includes their profits, how much debt they have, any legal restrictions, and what the board of directors thinks is best. It means there's no guarantee of future payouts. The rest of the report refers to an exhibit, which is the actual press release they issued. It just reinforces what they said in this report. This item just lists the exhibits attached to the report, in this case the press release. This is a link to the actual press release. The report is signed by Theodore B. Young, the Chief Financial Officer, as of May 2, 2025. Off this Temp2 perspective, DORIAN LPG is in the business of transporting liquid petroleum gas or LPG. The demand for LPG and therefore the rates they can charge to ship it can be volatile. So an irregular dividend makes sense. Here's my take. This dividend is a nice bonus for shareholders in May of 2025. It means the company is doing well enough that they can afford to share some of their profits. But it's not a promise of future income. The big risk here is the volatility of the shipping market. If demand for LPG drops, or if there are too many ships available, DORIAN LPG's profits could suffer and those dividends could disappear. On the other hand, if demand for LPG stays high or even increases, DORIAN LPG could continue to be profitable and maybe even offer more dividends in the future. In conclusion, this dividend is a positive sign for DORIAN LPG. It shows they're currently doing well. Investors should keep an eye on the LPG shipping market and the company's overall financial health. It's not a guaranteed income stream, but it's a welcome bonus for now. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives. Let me know in the comments if there are specific companies you'd like me to analyze next.